Today I want to show you how I create a short film from just one text prompt. Let's get started. I use OpenArt, but honestly, you can use whatever tool you like. For this video, I used Kling 2.6. I didn't really plan to have two people in the scene, but it actually turned out great. After that, I kept using Kling, grabbing the last frame from each video and applying new movement prompts on top of it. Sometimes it worked, sometimes it didn't. But that's part of the journey. If everything was easy, it wouldn't be fun. Using this last frame technique, I created a few different scenes, then moved everything into DaVinci Resolve and combined it all together. Cool stuff. I'm honestly a little addicted to AI, but it's my hobby. After long weekends sitting in front of the screen, creating, I'm happy back to work. I hope this tutorial helps if you're new to AI and curious to learn something new. Let's be friends. I'll show you how cool this can be. Just keep in mind, this hobby can be quite expensive, but it's my money, I earned it, and it's something I truly enjoy.